7 tips for saving money on septic systems. A well-maintained septic system is a happy septic, and that makes you a happy septic owner. But that maintenance and upkeep does cost money. However, repairs cost way more than keeping your system happy. Here are a few tips that can save you money on your septic system down the road. Number 1, get on a schedule. Don't wait for a problem to get your septic system serviced, including pumping your septic tank every 3 to 5 years. If you aren't sure when you should get your next septic system checkup, contact your septic system company with any questions. Number 2, pay attention to signs of trouble. Keep an eye out for any pooling in the drain field, bad smells, and slower drains. Do not wait for more significant, more costly problems to occur. Call your septic professionals at the first signs of trouble. Number 3, keep your septic system clear. Keep plants, trees, shrubs, or buildings away from your septic system. Number 4, make sure your septic tank cover has easy access. Suppose your septic tank hole cover is not accessible or is buried. In that case, it requires extra time and tools for your septic technician to find and access your system. Number 5, consider what goes down the drain. Be mindful of what you put down the drain. This includes chemicals as well as do not flush items. If you keep it to just toilet paper, you'll save money down the road. Number 6, when in doubt, call a professional. Call the professionals in the first place. Trying to handle tough clogs or repairs on your own could lead to a bigger mess. Number 7, conserve water. Too much water can lead to an overflown or imbalanced system. Conserving water keeps your system working efficiently. The best thing you can do for saving money on septic services is maintenance. Call Advanced Septic Services at 352-242-6100 with any questions or to schedule an appointment. Again, that's 352-242-6100. We happily provide Lake County and Central Florida with septic services.